know it's been raining hard here when this waterfall appears. That's not normally there. We have a pipe going underneath our road, and then it comes out over there. Look at that. Stream front property. And then I had the goats tied out last night, and they were all screaming, so I came out here and they were all in danger of washing away. Let's go see them. They're calling for flash floods in the area. It's like, yeah, no kidding. Let's go over here. I guess we'll start down low, work our way up. Had a tree fall in our pond last night. Right there. First year we put this garden in, this Back to Eden garden, the rain came and washed it away. So then we dug a ditch. This is our ditch, which is usually dry. And look at that, white water. Ugh. This is why the foundation's cracked. Can you see this water? I got all the goats put away. Whoop. We have to divert this water. It's not going to happen today. We need the earth equipment. Keep it from the foundation. And then look at this. Water's just coming out of the ground. Right there. You see that? So I got them all in there. They have shelter and food now. I did a pretty good job diverting the water away from this foundation. See it running down, and then whoop, doesn't really go down the side anymore like it used to. And then here's another waterfall that we don't often have. Where you decide to site your house and roads and things is very important. Isn't that pretty though? We wanted this to be a road that came down, went around and out that way. Clearly, we need to do some serious engineering before that ever happens. Pipes and banks and cuts and ditches. I haven't gone up our personal road yet. I haven't had enough coffee to tackle that. Look at this. But our road looks pretty good. It's not too bad. I mean, it could be doing what that's doing. All right, another flood. I'm glad I live up on a mountain, not down in a valley. Need to get this ditched into there. That's doing okay. Sister Kate and Brother Cody did that. It's gonna do this all day. Rain all day. All right. Well, no, wait. We'll go look at this one more time. This one's pretty neat. I like it. All right, I'll see you out there.